Let's take a look at replacing the AC pressure switch on this Chrysler 200. Now it's located right in the front of the vehicle here. We can see we've got our service port here, and then right below it is the AC pressure sensor. So I'm going to reach underneath, press the tab to unlock the electrical connector. And now it's important to note we do not need to discharge the AC system. There's going to be a valve in here, and so I'm going to take my 14mm open end wrench and thread this off. Now we'll get a very small little burst of refrigerant when I initially drop that off there. But now here's the thing that you need to pay attention to. There was an O-ring previously on this, and the new sensor came with an O-ring as well. So we want to make sure that we don't double it up here. So I'm going to use a little pick, and I will remove the original O-ring from the vehicle. Now I'm going to gently roll on the new O-ring and rub a little refrigerant oil on it so it doesn't get pinched when I install my new switch. So I thread the new switch on. I'm going to use my wrench to tighten it down, make the electrical connection, and just like that, we've gone ahead and replaced the AC pressure switch on this Chrysler 200.